Oh, okay. I thought she was gonna sleep over.
I thought so too.
And then what happened?
She said she's leaving. Have a fun. Have a fun. Even
So we are fun.
yeah, she did. Like, I thought you guys are not coming back, hey? I was like, yo, these girls left me.
No. I mean, okay, me. Why would I leave you? I don't even like mustard.
My phone was off. So
Yeah,
like,
but you know I don't like mustard. You know I don't.
yeah, but I thought like you guys are cooking something.
Cooking what? I don't like mustard.
My girl, I
I
don't
was
know.
never gonna give mustard powder.
Please give me that passion fruit. No, like in my head, I was like, yo, these girls left me by myself.
Okay, me now. Why would I leave you, me?
I don't know. I thought you were
Me, I
cooking
was like,
some.
no, I said that time when mustard and I left, I was like, mustard, Bali and I don't have chargers. How are we gonna request home tomorrow? Can we please go collect our chargers?
So you went home.
Yes, I went home to collect.
That's so crazy. I thought you're not coming back. I was like, my girl
I went
is
to
not.
collect our stuff just so that us we have something.
I was like, my girl is not coming back. Pearl is not coming
Okay,
back.
where did you think I went? With mustard?
Yes, to his house, maybe to our house.
To do what? With mustard. I don't like mustard. From the bottom of my heart, I don't.
Oh, hi. I thought I'm so cooked.
Because you're gonna stay alone.
Yes, my girl.
I was coming.
What the fuck is this filter?
Oh, it's really coming back.
So when you left here, you went straight to Oakland.
Yeah. We went to collect the chargers. Then I went home. You see, I'm even changed. Went home to change.
Yes, I see you changed.
And then I took our stuff. I took toothbrushes. That's all. And then we went to a garage because I was like, girl, I have severe indigestion thing. And it's been bothering me so much.
What was the conversation? I'm so curious. What's the verdict?
There's no verdict. The verdict is that Mustard said he does not have time for me, and I said that.
For real?
Yeah.
Njalo nje? What the fuck, Bazalwan?
He said during December time, his family was like, okay.
His family is doing what?
Yeah?
His family is doing what?
Family comes first.
Atinja?
Well, not
Real
not
though.
verbatim.
Real though.
So family comes first. I was like, okay. He's like, yo, I'm full of participation because we're already going through ABCDFG. I was like, yeah, very.
So you guys are gonna resume in January?
Me resume. But someone I don't
Nyabuza nje, like what's the verdict?
What are we resuming?
What's the verdict? What did you guys talk about?
Pause. Can you please?
Did he say, can you guys pause?
Yeah. How?
Like, with his own mouth?
Yeah. I didn't suggest that he did.
Atin,
Pause. Please resume.
saying you confused, manj.
I'm confused by him. What is there to be confused about?
No, I need you to hold my hand
And tell you what?
and tell me what happened.
Bye.
Nisukela, you guys left.
Okay, obviously wanted to smash, and I was like, I'm not gonna smash.
You wanted to smash tonight.
Oh, I wanted to go to other one. I was like, no. Now, why would I do that? Try my friend.
You wanted to smash here.
Yeah, well. Okay. When
I'm
you tell
scared.
Bochel, you must tell him like this. I wanted to smash, yeah. And I was like, no, bro, not in front of my friends. And you know what? It's different. Because I tell you that they're rather teamwork. So, I still want to watch is done on the left must be done on the right. Just because Bochel does doesn't mean that also it's a different dynamic.
100%.
It's a different dynamic.
So when you guys walked out of the
When we
store,
were standing here before, I was like, bro, you can see the house is full of 4 girls. What are you doing here? Leave. Go home. You're still here. Come see me. Why?
So when you guys left, what was the conversation?
I went to the car and everything. Then I was like, I must have been worried. Because that time when Bopoche were like, yo, you're not soft. You're not feminine.
Who said that?
You were co-signing.
Who said that?
JT and Boche.
When?
I said it. When they were, like, I don't know what you were doing. I think maybe you were there.
In this apartment?
Yes. Yeah, today. They're like, when you're so angry or something like that. It's either but you're so angry or like you mean or something. I even said, Pal, out of these 3 girls, I'm the nicest one. It's just that I'm the strictest one. That's the only difference. Yeah, well, JT was like, yeah, Shem, she's actually so nice. What? This one.
JT.
This one. What co-signer? Yeah.
Who's that mustard?
Mm-hmm.
At who you mean?
I don't know, man. I was like, okay. Sure, man, I was like, why were you co-signing that? You were co-signing you when Poche and JT were saying, I mean. No, I didn't mean it like that. Did you take offense to it? I was like, yes, I did take offense to it. Because you were co-signing it. I didn't take offense to it because Poche and JT said, that's fine. I don't owe Poche and JT anything, but you were co-signing it. That is my problem. Have I ever been mean to you?
And?
No, my point is, have I ever been mean to you?
What was his answer?
He's like, no, you've never been mean to me. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, ish. I didn't think that you were going to take it like that. I was like, yo, I did. I took it personally.
I didn't think.
I took it personally.
Fuck off.
I actually did take it personally.
Fuck off.
Because you were co-signing it.
Yes.
And I've never been mean to you. I've actually never even been mean to JT and Boche, but I understand where they're coming from. I do get where they're coming from, but however, even if that is the case, I've also never been mean to them. I was like, Mustard, in conclusion, what's going on between us?
Indeed.
He's like, yeah. Yeah, in December time.
I'm sure you.
He's like, yeah, in December time, caught up.
Where were you guys by then? Did you guys
driving?
Huh?
In the car.
Come in. I think it's security. Hi.
Yes, it is.
My boyfriend. Me. Who are you looking for?
This guy is in the mall.
The what?
At the mall,
Remember in your own
At the mall.
Yeah.
Wrong apartment, babe.
Remember earlier on, I was by the pouch one, then I spoke to you.
You have the wrong girl.
did you speak to him?
At the
No, I
mall.
did not talk to you, but I spoke to him.
At the mall.
Yeah, it was back here. Tell me, mommy.
Balenciaga.
That's definitely him.
Okay.
Oh, no. I spoke to you earlier on.
Oh, he's gone.
He's gone. A long time ago.
Oh, it's been an hour.
An hour or 2 even. Okay, Narabon.
Like, you don't join now, because remember when the modern guys were 4, then someone was only 2. Then I approached him with our friends. So now when we 4, we 2, but I'm not on company with her. Then he was like, no, Hatalian, right? You don't remember? No, Hatalian. So,
Pochi.
But that definitely is Boche.
It's him with the Balenciaga. He was wearing that.
so I was wearing shorts, man. Give me more get a couple of food. That you wouldn't remember. It's fine. Anyway, what's up?
Khalid. Khalid, what's her name? Hayi khale ba tsena.
party.
A gona wa bona ke tufe.
Yeah, no, I thought you guys were chilling with that. So sharp. Please don't worry, guys.
Ba tsamaile le bone. Party e fedile.
Come on, not out.
O tswa kae wena?
It's clear like yeah.
Welele, o maka ene wena. Ka o bona o maka.
What you mean?
Nepe.
It's clear like yeah. I met him for school. Then he told me about my other thing.
This lift.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Mother.
Oh,
But he's not lying, because how else would he go to the number? He's not lying.
No, I met him.
How else is he going to know?
Didn't you go out alone around past 8?
I'm not around here. I don't know what's going on.
You get the phone?
You stay somewhere nearby. Sorry? Hey, even us, we are wrapping up. Okay, we're just getting our stuff and going. Home.
We don't live for here. 5 minutes down the road.
5 minutes down the road.
Yeah, guy? No.
What happened? Jalo is in Soweto, ne?
Yeah, Makuvanjano is far.
In Soweto.
It's far.
Where are we?
We're in Rosebank.
Exactly. I'm asking him.
Come on, Jalo. Say Soweto.
Eh, where?
Wow, we are with the lad.
It's far.
I can't even see number.
Yeah, man. Where's the Mutaka? Oh,
Yeah, that's why I said always a birthday.
how can I? What's a meal? Mutaka.
So not for number.
Ke motho a ka tle ke loyal gampe tle nna ke loyal yo ke a gana
I'm
from Avicii, so I just came here for the night.
what's a maka moshotšong
Almost.
you came for what
I wasn't long, then I came in the morning.
bloom for Casper that's so lovely how was it
It was too much.
lovely
It's horrible. This one.
Pori ke Tommy ya gago Tommy is he your Tommy
Why? Who?
Pori
Tori?
Pori
No,
Casper?
they don't know each other. They just bumped into each other.
is it
Oh no! What happened?
akhalhanye Tommy
I got the store. They came in very true.
Yes, and there were 3 hands.
4.
le pearl
Lapel is.
So how can I didn't notice it was on my door. What are you doing?
I was wearing something different.
Yeah, there was another one with the shorts.
Yes, I was wearing shorts at the time.
Kwena?
Yes.
I swear.
Who's fault?
ne re le 3 body shots
3 body shorts. There was brown shorts, 2 white shorts,
Then,
and long pants.
the time that I'm working up thing, then I tried to speak to the one more shorts. I think it's Green or something.
karabo
Carabo, yes.
About he's up here. Then you guys were walking towards the lift.
This is Dagi.
when Dagi was him.
This is Dagi Ocean. No lie.
So we're now with Ali, your boyfriend. Then I was like to the boyfriend, sure, how's the shit? Because I remember because the boyfriend was swine. Okay, kind. How's the shit? Like I want to for me. Everything go on in the
this lift
Yeah, you have fit. I'm not fit. Don't join one night.
Yo, Shamba Tamai.
khale ba ile ba itse sharp ne akukhona hali Tommy follow me Instagram ya mara kana ufa number tsaka mbali_mz
Bali.
_NZ. Sharp Tony. Lo wena unna save ko Soweto lo wena. Indeed. Sharp. Bye. What the fuck just happened? Lock the door, bro. Is it locked? Okay, you were telling.
Easy. Now.
Why is my phone dirty? Okay, what was the conversation in the car?
You know my story. From all that studio.
Which kid?
No. You're already going through so much and I don't want to break your heart.
What the fuck is TikTok on about?
With my shoes. Now people suffer. They play for blessings.
TikTok about it. What about substances?
I bought I'm suffering.
And I drank Inohe, but I'm so drunk. But I don't remember where I got this this thing. What's this power bank? What? I think it's 4 apartments from here. But he's wearing a bonnet. What was the conversation when you guys went?
In conclusion, me and Master don't get thing.
I want to know what the
Master is
conversation.
my class 6. And then get on the phone. You will have to speak it up.
I want to know what the conversation is, bro.
You don't understand. Master said he does not have time for me. Can we pause?
Verbatim.
Yes, he does not have time for me. Can we pause? We will resume in January.
Verbatim. We will resume in Jan. Guys, Bashimani have a right in life.
I'm a bed now.
Bashimani.
You just.
It's so bad. It's so bad. Yeah, just put the powder in there and then drink water. But it's so bad. I just want to sleep at this point because fuck boys, bro. Like, fuck boys.
I brought sweatpants and a top and your pajamas.
My pajamas. You brought me? Fuck off, yo. You brought these.
You want 6 pajamas?
It's
Yeah, I
fine.
didn't bring pajamas for myself.
I'll sleep naked. Me too.
I know I sleep naked.
I sleep
I
naked.
know myself, I open chamber.
There's no opening chamber here. There's no boys here. Oh, this song is so nice. Is this my charger?
Yes.
How did we not bring chargers tonight, bro? That's so careless.
Oh. But sure.
Golosa. Hi.
Mbali.
Do you want your power bank?
No. I figured it would be easier if either you take my number, I take yours, and you can text me when you're done.
Please take mine.
I take yours?
Yes. What's your appointment number again?
Pardon?
What's your appointment number again?
509.
519. Please take my number.
What is it?
081
081
357
357
74
74
06.
06.
Yeah.
081 357 7406.
Yeah.
Alright.
Do you think you'll need it tonight?
No.
Not really. Are you checking out tomorrow?
You're checking out tomorrow?
Are you checking out tomorrow?
No.
No. I'm checking out in the morning.
So you need
Mbali, your charger is here. Give the boys power bank.
There's no plug, bro.
There's so many plans.
Where? I'm sitting by the heater. What time do you wake up?
slightly later.
There's plugs in the bedside somewhere. Let me see.
Bro, I'm sitting by the heater.
I should be up until 2, 3 if that helps.
No. Like, I need to check out at like 9 a.m.
It's okay, friend. We will knock.
Alright.
9 a.m.
One of us will be there.
Okay, thank you. The problem is this, my guy. Tonga, the problem is this.
Uchilu, my girl.
Ukile.
Uzivele wayichi.
Here's our key.
What key?
The door key is here.
Is it? Also, why did I bring a 2-pin? I didn't know.
That's a thing. Yeah. I didn't know you were home, so that's why I could have asked. I'm Sasuke. I genuinely don't know. Why can't I like... Does Davido know I love him? He's not aware, no? Davido is not aware that I love him. And I don't know why, like, when he went to Chris Brown, I missed his concert. Why would I do
We
that?
are invited anytime.
Who is there? Claire? I don't want to ask because... I don't want to ask because Poku was there. I don't want to ask because Poku was there. I don't even know who's who. Siaphi.
Siaphi nobani?
Nah, yeah.
Ubani?
Umuntu wakho.
Muphi?
What the fuck is this filter?
Oh, Mbali, that video. Person has seen no karabo. Oh, shit. Oh, Mbali.
I'm so dead.
Shit. Can't even be silent. Hey, bo.
You were just drunk, my guy.
Oh, Ujwala.
Ujala, stop drinking.
Mbali.
Stop drinking.
Sure, Mbali, ngiyabeka utshwala.
I'll be like, my girl. Like, stop drinking from the bottom of your heart. Because what the hell?
Shit.
And it's like, posty. There's no turning back.
Okay.
It's like, posty from the bottom of your heart.
Shit.
Me, I think I should go home, Buhle.
Home to it. Home.
Yes. I'll come back next year. Motwaka. Because you know what's the thing, bro? Like, we're doing things that we shouldn't do at the moment. So I think going home will save me. Can I listen, Zaza? Otata is playing next. Okay. No. Fuck my life. Are we out of food?
Where?
Am I pregnant? I think I'm pregnant.
Why not?
I say, hey. I don't want no yawa or they femi no power. Orekela Ami, my wonderful woman.
Hey guys, I can't look at this video chat.
Which one?
What was I doing? Oh shit.
Only you know, my girl. Man. Guys, can I please tell you? I'm going to Ashake on the 3rd of Jan. My friend said we're going to Mariah. I'm going to Ashake alone. You know, everybody's going to Mariah the scientist. Makbe, but it's fine. I'll make friends there. Cause they don't want to go see Mariah. Are you seeing Mariah in Cape Town or in Joburg?
What's up, Bobby?
You come on now.
Joburg is I don't have money for.
You're not going to Letaba. Too much. And security too.
Transport.
If you leave New Year's Eve, you'll make it.
Yeah?
If you leave New Year's Eve, you'll make it.
Well,
What's going on at the Sita? So Ashake is performing on the 3rd of Jan. What filter is this?
hi man, I'll pause it up.
P?
You're taking a video.
I'm live.
Okay. Hi man, yes.
That's what I was saying.
Hi,
That's what I was saying, bro. That's what I was like, something's wrong. Like, even if, you know how at my baby's nest, you install and you look premium.
Yeah. Nothing. Next premium.
Insecurity wahala. I don't want no yawa or anything. I was concerned.
You're concerned.
Because firstly, she's lighter than me.
She's lighter than us.
2, she has nice skin. Premium lomntwana. Premium lomntwana. So when I saw her, I was like, and the install, you know how my babies does this? It didn't help.
Really?
That's why I was concerned. I was like, something's wrong.
Hey.
Didn't look premium. You saw it for yourself today, ne?
Man. I can see her complexion is not the number
Now,
one.
imagine if my baby.
Pale is lighter than us.
Imagine if my babies couldn't help you. Guys.
Yo.
My babies couldn't help you.